to the kitty cat snack shack. That's food for the famished felines. Now, let's see what we have here. Casserole duck, no. Duck with cherries. Today. Peking duck, oh no, that's just horrible. Aha! Here we are. Duck on the lunch.
What are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
I know that. I mean, what are we going to eat?
With something of a surprise.
You see, my mother must have been thinking of someone else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Bless her. Mothers are all the same. They think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Oh no, but not my mother there. Oh, she was different. You know what she always said to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your clothes. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's so pitiful some breath. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that let me sting you early smitten. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can chip your child before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before you crunch. You can play with your food while you bite it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. No, Ducky, told you not to play. It can be anything. I will tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle in the puddles, dabble in the mud, take a stick of bats in the shallows. Then maybe it's time to sliding in the slime of the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water bowmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play games and shopping with you, and preferably something in the kitchen. Oh, wanna play a game of hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with the food before you eat it. You can chip your child before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, let me play with you. You can play with the food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food while you bite it. It's a crazy little game. Ducky, do you like oranges?
I don't know. I've never had one.
Well, suck on this! It's a